Salary is a drug given to you to forget your dreams. Stop trying to rebuild the bond you didn't break. Characterize people by their actions, and you will never be fooled by their words. You lose value when you are too accessible. You can educate a fool, but you cannot make him think. Someone who lies for you can lie against you. Remember that. We either make ourselves miserable, or we make ourselves strong. The self's amount of work is the same. Give yourself time and you will find who you are. Better to have 1,000 enemies outside the house than to have one single enemy inside it. Mind your own business, and you may live 100 years. If we wait until we're ready, we'll be waiting for the rest of our lives. The race for perfection has no finish line. If you want to be happy, have zero expectations to others. A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart. To rush into explanations is always a sign of weakness. Life has no limitations except the one you set in your mind.